Good morning. Putting the footing in. It is red hot, it's freezing, red hot, freezing. It's almost like in that sun, it's like a different garden. you know what I mean? But we moved the shed this morning, and I've got tracksuit bottoms on underneath here, and bloody hell, it's red hot, absolutely boiling. I think it was last year I didn't wear thermals all the year through. We were all right, but sat on a digger, it's chuffing freezing. Hang on, got a ring doorbell and it's bloody going off all the time. So the footing is going across, where am I? Around the shed to this point, pulling in a whisker, and then it's going all the way down that garden. So we moved this shed this morning, which was a real struggle. I'm glad we didn't film it, to be fair, but it would have been funny. We filmed that. We didn't film that. We moved the shed, and then the customer was here, so he says, put the shed back in here, because it's a bit exposed there, but also on the house around the corner, it's a bit of a utility area, so it's not going to affect any windows or out it being raised up. So yeah, we're just going in overkill really. It's 450 to 500 mil wall, and it should only be like a 300 mil footing, but we're seeing it be going like 400, 500 mil again. But more's better. Who's bothered? So I'll catch you soon. Just up at Garforth Building Supplies. It's literally still shut for Christmas. 1 in, 1 out situation. This guy's serving us, but my mate men aren't here. They normally have a chat with me. I think one's called Matty. I can't remember the name of the other guy. You're not here to have a little chat. What am I gonna do? I've just got to sit here and let him load and then just go. Miss you guys. Hurry up and get back. So Tom has got his camera. He's going to be pushing a YouTube channel out. Told him for ages to do it. It just runs for fun. He does like 50Ks. He's training for an 100K run. He's training for an 100K run. But he's pushing our Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to follow us, it's garden_revamps. There's about 900 to 1,000 followers, so it's that one. But yeah, if you want to give us a follow, check Tom out on camera. He's doing a daily speech, whatever he's doing, daily reel on it. But yeah, I'll give you all a shout when he's got his YouTube channel up and running. You'll see how bonkers he is. Like, I can't even run a frigging bath. I was saying this week, we might do a little bit of running, bit of this, and I was like, you know what, I'll stick with walking dogs. Loads easier. Springer Spaniel and Dachshund is so much easier than running. But yeah, catch you back on site, guys. I'm stood just there taking videos at van and building, but trying to get sunset, but a little bit too far. But I have just noticed. I don't know if you can see it on here actually. Colour that van. And then this side. It's bloody well mucky. So my employer, when I was a fencer, used to get bonuses at Christmas. Pretty decent, quite good money. For keeping your van clean all year, keeping all your tools unbreakable, so they haven't broken all year, you know, looking after your tools and stuff like that. And then I always got a phone call saying, sorry about wind, I always got a phone call saying, oh, Gaff's coming out tomorrow, I'll see you at 9 o'clock, sound. That night, when I got a phone call, straight down to the car wash, get car washed, batter them down from a tenner to £7 every time, but then still give them a tenner. And then, yeah, oh my God, your van looks well clean. I was like, of course it does. It's all I do on a weekend is clean my van. Not. But yeah. Whew. Let's track down there. Today has been progress. Progress, the footing is in. So across, down, and then across to this tree here, this tree here, and then it's changed angle again. Just try to keep it to fence as much as we can, but at the same time try to keep the trees in. So yeah, he's done well as Thomas lad today. He's done well. Just sat on my ass again, but yeah, seat angle change on this side. So that's it. Tomorrow we are being told it's going to snow, apparently 2 to 10 centimetres. I bet it's about 2 mil. From looking at Met Office, when we're like, oh, should we come in, it's going to smash it down. Never rains. So we're gonna come in anyway. Let's see if it snows. Let's see. So I'll love you and I'll leave you and I'll see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.